Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this Irish crochet lace design, branch with leaves. I have made this lace and used it to make an earring. It can be used as an applique. I made this branch in 4 different lengths as well and applied on a cushion cover, and it really came out beautiful. I am going to share the details of this pattern, and then you can go ahead and make any length you desire to make for your project. So let's get started. For making this, we will require some crochet thread. I have taken in these 2 colors, olive greens in 2 shades, and we will be requiring a jump ring and an ear wire, and of course a crochet hook. I'm using a 1.1 mm hook. So let's get started. I'm going to start with this longer leaf. Once you know how to make this, you can make this one as well. We will start with a slip knot. Keep your hook beneath the thread, twist it once, hold this loop, yarn over and pull through this loop. This is a slip knot. Chain, we will be making 6 chains. Yarn over and pull through this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have made 6 chains. Now we will be making 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and insert the hook into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Pull it to the length of this 4 chain space. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain space, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have done this 2 times. We will be doing this for a total of 4 times. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull over a loop. Maintain this distance. Yarn over and again pull up a loop. I have done this 4 times. Now we will yarn over and pull through all the loops except the last one. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see 2 threads over here. Insert the hook into these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through and pull through. We have a picot over here. We have made a picot. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now go into the loop in which we had made this cluster. Attach these 3 chains with a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Make a slip stitch into the next chain. We have completed 1 leaf. Now again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the branch. Now we need to make 4 chains for the leaf part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over and pull up a loop as long as the 4 chains we had made. Try to maintain this length as much as you can. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. We are going to do this 4 times. We have finished 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and pull through all the loops except the last one. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Make 3 chains for the picot. Insert the hook into these 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. We have finished making the picot. Now chain 3, 2 and 3. Insert the hook into this 4th chain where we had made the cluster and make a slip stitch. One more slip stitch into the next chain. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. We have finished making these 2 leaves. Now we are going to make this leaf. For this leaf, we have to make a small branch. So chain 2. And then chain 4 for the leaf. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Two, 3 and 4. Draw through all except the last. Yarn over and pull through 2. Chain 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into these 2 loops. Now chain 3 to complete the leaf. Insert your hook into this big hole, yarn over and pull through both. Now make a slip stitch into the 2 chains which we had made for the branch. Yarn over and pull through both. Into the next chains, yarn over and pull through both. Now we have come to this leaf. Pick up these 2 loops, 1 and 2. One and 2. And make a slip stitch. Here we are going to make one more leaf on the other side. Chain 4 and 4, yarn over, insert the hook into the 4th chain, yarn over and draw up a loop, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over and pull through all except the last. Yarn over and pull through both. Now we will make the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into these 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through all. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And insert the hook into this big loop to complete the leaf. We have finished making this leaf. Make slip stitch into all of these chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again we have come to this leaf. We have to make a slip stitch into these 2 loops. 1 and 2. Draw up a loop and pull through both. Now chain 4 for the last leaf. Now we will be working in the rest of the branch area. Insert the hook into the next chain and make a slip stitch. We will be doing slip stitches into all these chains. So I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have finished making 6 slip stitches. Now pull this small tail through this loop and pull both the ends. This is the leaf. Similarly, you will be making this smaller one. You will start with 6 chains and then do just this part and finish it here. Cut off the tail